So this is my Carbo e-bike. It's fairly compact. It fits in this Rhino Walk carrying case. It's also fairly okay to lift with one hand, and you can see it's about the size of an unfolded suitcase, so it is pretty transportable in a car. This one does have the extra suspension seat. It's a Dawei C40 suspension seat, and it's got the LED back signal light. So switch this on. And you can see it's switched on. Unzip it. It folds out. Fairly compact. It's 20-inch Schwabe tires. I have replaced them with or tires on order, which are the Tannis LS 20 into 1.5, which should work for this since it has a 19 millimeter rim. So this rim is 19 millimeters. It folds up into a pretty compact shape. You can see it unfolded. To assemble it, you basically just pull up on the seat, roll it off the bag, and then you can see as you roll it off, just expand this out. Make sure nothing is binding. The pedals will bind, so do that. Just make sure the pedals don't bind by flipping them up. There's a click into shape. And also flip up the handlebars. So you can see I'll do the same to the other pedal. The pedals all snapped into shape. You can see the bike is halfway done. And I will lift up the handlebars. Which is like this. That lifts up the handlebars. Click the handlebar retainer into position. Moving this lever. Which clicks in place. And then I expand it out. So you can see it's now expanded out. I push the rear stand back so it can rest. So now it's rested on. And then I push this one back so straighten out. That straightens it out, and then this lever will click into place. So it's clicked. And that's my Carbo e-bike. I lift it up. I can lift up the handlebars, and I do have the controller for this thing as well. If I press it down, it'll power on. You can see Carbo. I have set a password for this thing, so it will prompt for a password. So And there you go, it's powered on, ready to roll. And you can see I have switched these handlebars out for curved handlebars. Those are still on their way, so I'll evaluate those. And you can see how big it is once it's actually unfolded. And the Rhino Walk case does fit in the small bag, which fits on the back and straps into place out here. So it's a pretty good bike. I like it for sure. It's got a belt drive. So this is the Carbo Model X. It's got a 250 watt hub motor, and yeah, has hydraulic brakes and everything else, so it's pretty good. I like it. It's got a little light in the front, and you can see it. It does track speeds and everything else. This is my first time doing it, so it'll track speed, distance, etc. One more thing is that the seat can pivot. So if you look at the seat out here, there's a little circular depression, and then once you move the seat up or down, you can set it at the correct angle. So that's seat adjustment on the Carbo. You can set the seat angle. So if you look at the seat, you can see that it's set slightly up, so it'll hold me so I won't slide off. So the angle is also adjustable as well as up and down and side to side. So nice light in the front. You do need to zip tie the cables so that they don't break the light. But yeah, that's the Carbo Model X initial review after unboxing and riding it 5 kilometers.